want that cash, I'm always moving for it. She gon' fuck me for some time for it. Brand new Rolex ain't got time for it. 1600 block, they know I rip that gang. You got shooters, me too, guess we on the same thing. Don't let this rapping fool you, bitch, I'm on the same thing. Every time they came and got me, I ain't say a name. Niggas thought I hung with Weez, I keep this Mac, man. Bitch, I gave it to me easy when our Rex came. Gunshots went through Fred's chest. One bullet hit Slim head. Some of them say I changed, but if I did, I changed for the better. Most of you niggas.
What's good? Giving y'all this wealth analysis. Real quick, I'm gonna make it short, I'm gonna make it simple, I'm gonna make it sweet. Y'all can see what I see, and y'all can see if this works for y'all. Alright, so we're gonna start off on a monthly. You know, you looking for the zones. You can choose a zone anywhere on it. It's all about you, the way you trade, what you see, and what's relevant to what you're trying to do. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to put a zone all the way up here, do your did it, gangster. You know that's on you. You know, do what you gotta do. But we're gonna look at stuff and we're gonna figure stuff out. Okay, so real quick, we're gonna make this fast, we're gonna make this simple, we're gonna make this easy. Oh fuck, let me get right. Oh, I broke the chair. Oh shit. We straight. Alright, bet. So look, alright. We're gonna start off on the monthly. On the monthly, you wanna start off on your big time frames, you know. The high ones. Get you a zone. You wanted to touch the most wicks. I like it right here. You know, we ain't gonna spend too much time on it. We're gonna get them done, and we're gonna move on. We're gonna tweak them a little later. We want to make them all the same color. Like, you want to be able to identify your zones and know that, oh, this is a purple zone, this is a monthly zone. You know, shit like that. See? And this is where it comes, you know, what you do plays a factor, because I can make this a monthly zone and say, well, shit, it really play between these zones, you know, which I'm probably going to do. Or I can make this one. It doesn't fucking matter. See, let me show you why I don't want to make that one. Because I don't know. It's like, I'm going to go up with it right here. And we're going to go down with it right here. Let's see. Chill. Right. Chill. Boom. Alright, let's go down to the weekly. Now remember, yeah, this look pretty close, but fuck, from here to here, that's 300 pips. You dig what I'm saying? Like, you're not catching 300 pips per trade, so you can say that's close as a zone. Them zones ain't supposed to be so close together, but I mean, like I said, it's about relevance to what you're trying to do. That's 400 pips, and that's about roughly 500. Like, you ain't catching 500 pips in a fucking day. Probably, you might not even catch it in a week. You know, you can, but it's not guaranteed, so you know. But that's what we're gonna do. I like this little spot here for a weekly. Like, let me see right here. And really be mindful of them, because you don't want them super thick, because it's like, you know, you don't want them super thick because, for instance, look at this. It could be right here. It really could be this. That's what I like. I'm looking for you. Right there. Perfect. Oh, that bitch sick. And what I like to do is, I like to mark them up on the big charts, on the higher time frames, and then tweak them on the one under them. You know, like so. Let's tweak that. I want to see, you know, what we can go with. See, we can go down here, but then we don't go down. We might go down here. That's not good. Or we can just stay up here, and that way we know that this is a breakout. So we not chasing this in the event that it was up here and that bitch went negative way down here, just to go negative way down here. That's like, just say we right here, boom. You know, 140, depending on your trade, but this is just ratios. You know, don't take the pips literal. Just think about the ratios. You know, you can set a 100 pip stop loss or play that bitch way down here instead of 450. You know, I'm gonna take my 100 pips, and if it's gonna do something right here, I'm gonna set a limit. You know, to put me back in it. But that's something for another story. But when you marking these, you know, make sure you understand like these are the ranges for your TPs and your stop losses. Like I'm trading within this area. So it's like if it hit this, I wanted to hit this and drop, but my stop loss has to be up here. So don't put that bitch as far as you can out to cover all that because it's like you put it right here. All right, cool. Boom, you lost this amount of stops. I mean pips. Fuck the trade. Do another analysis. Wait. You could put it way down here. You can put that bitch way down here, but then look at this, way down here. Then you're gonna say, oh, I could put it way down here. Nah, don't keep chasing it. Get you something that's short, simple, sweet. If it play with you, get out the trade. You know, you still got money in your pocket to trade tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Move on to the next pair. So make sure they're very, very detailed and precise, I would say, you know. And like I say, it's about what's, you know, relevance to everything. So, let me see. See, now I look a lot better, you know, because if I put it down here, yeah, I can. I very much well can. But how you trade this is, once it hit this, it'll be like this, like you set your, you reevaluate, set your weekly. So, I'm going to fuck with that right there. And then we're going to go to this one. Like this right here. Right there, right there. Perfect. All right. So now let's go back down to the weekly. Got that first weekly. All right. Boom. I like that weekly. Then make another weekly at the bottom down here. Down her. Put it like right here. Okay. We're gonna make them weeklies. We're gonna make them bitches. Fuck. We're gonna make them orange. Orange, nigga. Them bitches gonna be orange. So boom. Look at my weekly. That'd be pretty. Look, and it's like, why I do this is because no matter what, when you look at this pair, now it makes sense. You see what I'm saying? Now you like, what the fuck is doing? Now you like, okay, gangsta, I see what you're trying to do. You can't fool me. I'm on your ass, you know. You know, like some lingerie. Don't play. So now, boom. You know, it's starting to make a little bit more sense. You know, you get to smile and you like, all right, I'm fucking with it. You like, all right, that's a bet. But look. So now we're on the daily. Then we're going to, you know, zoom in a little bit more. We're going to go down to that, you know. Now we're on the daily. Let's go with that little daily a little bit. All right, so I like, I don't know what I like. And you can do this too. That's another thing you can definitely do. You can switch to the line chart and see, you know, which lines, you know, like this right here, this whole zone. I'm gonna go right here. But this one too. See, look, oh, so look at this. So we gonna mark it. Alright. Yeah. To here. Alright. Bro, there's so many of them. Like, there's so many fucking songs you can use. But like I say, fret not. We're gonna fix it, you know, because we're taking our time. Like, that's what it's about. It's about taking your time, you know, because I'm not even gonna fucking trade today. I'm not gonna trade till in the morning. I ain't gonna trade till like 11 o'clock tonight, you know, really start looking for my moves. I'm talking about the other night. I did my analysis about 6. I said I'm gonna wake up about 2. Motherfucking 11 o'clock. The fucking move happened. Bitch hit me for like 200 pips. I ain't catch it because I ain't get in it. And then I was at work, so I didn't really get to analyze it, so I ain't really fuck with it like that, you know. But this week we're gonna catch another one, you know. So let's see. Let's see what else we can get. We got that one. We're gonna play that right there for right now. We're gonna tweak it when we get to the 4 hour, you hear me? You know? Do I want this? I think I do. You don't want to touch it. So let's go this way. I'll play that like that. I really like this, no, but shit, I got out here and got out here. Because no. I'm gonna play that right there. Because think about it, man. These zones are fucking 40 pip, 60 pip zones, you know. So you gotta, you know, real be careful with them. You know, they can't be too fucking big. Now, granted, it depends on the time frame because you see, like on a monthly, on a weekly, that bitch is 160. You know, that's in a week. That's not bad for a week, but you know, on a daily needs to be I like 40. You know, but we gonna see. So let's go back to this. Now we gotta play around a little bit. Being that this did this, now that I'm thinking about it, I kind of like this right there. And we're making it easy, and we're not falling in love. We ain't catching feeling. We're gonna look on the 4 hour. And we gonna fuck around. Yeah. What up? Yeah. Niggas don't wanna be no traders, man. Look. Oh shit, the market is open. Look at that. Ain't worried about that. I'm not jumping in no pads. I'm not. That bitch gonna be crazy until tonight. That bitch gonna really be crazy tomorrow, but tomorrow's my only off day during the week, so I gotta make something happen. Alright, I like that. And you can very well much change them. Like I said, it's all about what you see. This is not set in stone. This is not what has to be. You know, I'm just, you know, even a little worried about advice gangster. But if I bring this down right here. Look at that. I like that. Let me see what it look like on the weekly. Look, I gotta fuck with that. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Let me see. Look at that. Dumb shit. You hear me? What up? That bit pretty. I got. All right, man. Let me stop taking so fucking long to get this shit perfect for y'all. But basically, we're gonna make these blue. Boom. Look at that. That's your daily levels. You can set some more too. Then we got the Forex, the 4 hour. I like to make my 4 hours red because red means dangerous. And the markets better watch out for me because I'm a dangerous man. You heard? Play with me. You know? So you're gonna see who's fighting on the phone. And it's like all right, that's the 4 hour now. Then you go to your 1 hour. Running 1 hour and just draw your zones, man. Where it could be anywhere. See, like with this shit, like it can literally be anywhere. I like these mid zones though, like this. You know what I'm saying? They fucked around here for a minute. You know, hung out a little bit. Had a bill. And we're gonna make them green. You know, and these are green because why? Because these are your money. This is money. Oh, we got money. And you know, and just here's another one. And the more volatile the pair is, the more zones you can have, and the more zones you need to have because you know. All right, look at this shit. Look at this. If you were still in this for a sale, market closed down here and open all the way back up there. It closed down here. So I don't know. It probably closed up here. 17 pips and rising. But look. All right, man. So that's just a few, but that's the wealth analysis. All you're doing is on the big time frame, making a big time frame making sense. Going to the smaller time frame, making it make sense. Going to the one under that, making it make sense. You're not worried about all this up here because the market is right here. So you need to be trying to catch these motherfucking 150 pips in this range. You know, don't worry about what the fuck is up doing right here, right now. You know, worry about it when it comes, but worry about the zone is that mind your business, gangster. You know, we're gonna go to the 4 hour. You know, we're gonna make it make sense. Every spot is touching. I wanted to hit right here. I wanted to hit right here. You know, from the, you know, oh, I like that. You know, let me get me right quick. Hold on now. You know what I'm saying? And in between this zone, boom, 35 pips, 72 pips. Come on, bro. I'm giving you the. You know what I'm saying? It's all free. I just want, I just want somebody to listen. That's all. But check this out, man. That's my Forex wealth analysis. That's how we doing it. That's another pair for the week. GBP USD. Maybe these some zones. Maybe we can see a rejection off of the 1.27992 and rise all the way back to the 1.29713 about shit. Potential 170 pip week we could have. So that's my Forex wealth analysis. Thank y'all.